Hi family, welcome back. Let's get right into it. Today I'm making my 100% homemade shampoo. If you watched last week's video, I told you guys the ingredients that I used to make my growth oil. I wasn't going to throw that away. So today I'm using those very same ingredients. Today I'm starting off with my rice powder or my rice flour, however you're going to call this, but today I'm going to call this rice flour, okay? So I'm starting off with 1/4 of a cup and then about 2 cups of water. So keep watching to see the ingredients that I used last week. Alright, if you didn't watch that video, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out to make your very own growth oil. Keep watching, y'all. My rice flour is ready. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the blender, and then I'm going to be adding in the ingredients that I use to make my growth oil. Alright family, these are the ingredients that I use. This is my aloe vera, my cloves, and rosemary. I'm going to add that to the blender, and then we're going to move on to blending. Keep watching to see the next step. Alright y'all, so here's the next step. I am going to be using a 1/2 cup of my cloves water. Now this is optional, you don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can use your rosemary water, you can use your cloves water, or your aloe vera juice. So I'm using a 1/2 cup of my cloves water to loosen up my mixture, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright y'all, so here is the final step to this process. I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of my pure castor soap. I'm going to make sure to mix my ingredients very well, and my shampoo is ready to be used. So family, this is how you can make your natural homemade shampoo in the comfort of your home. This is going to deep clean your scalp. It's going to make your hair feel fresh and clean. I hope you guys can give this a try. If you made it this far in a video but haven't yet smashed that subscribe button, please consider doing so. On this channel, we DIY natural hair products, we DIY home decor, home remodeling, vlogging, and so much more. If you like all of those, then please don't hesitate. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing growing family. We would love to have you here. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.